So, Patrick, tell us about our latest views of Jupiter.
Yes, there's a spacecraft called Juno, which has a 53-day orbit around Jupiter, and when it makes its close pass, that point here, which is roughly about 2,300 miles above the cloud tops of Jupiter, that's called perijove. And there are...
Thank you. I was about to say, nobody said pajama party. Annette Funicello. Anyway,
so since last star space, there were two perijoves, the 19th close flyby and the 20th on May 29th. And from Juno's point of view, there's a camera that takes pictures, and so these are some of the spectacular pictures showing southern hemisphere of Jupiter. We go to the next image, and we can see lots of detail here, these anticyclonic white ovals and these filamentary regions here. We can go to the next image. Now, this is an image made out of 5 images during the flyby of PJ19 and just kind of put together one by one, and you can produce a little animation. And this represents roughly about 35 minutes of time, of real time. So you can actually see these cyclones kind of spinning back and forth here in this GIF animation. And this is just a sequence of images as the Juno spacecraft maneuvered away from the southern polar region of Jupiter. Now, on perijove 20, we can see another South Pole image, and then we go to the next one. And some details here. Here's a folded filamentary region with some white pop-up clouds. These are like giant cumulus clouds above that region. And if you look very closely in this area, which is in the northern region, polar region of Jupiter, there's this kind of dark area here, and we can get a close-up view of that. And this is a color-enhanced image, and it's been nicknamed the Jupiter Abyss. And basically, all of these are circling around this kind of dark area, which it's believed that it's like a void, and there's no light coming out from it, because it's kind of like shadow. So it's dark in comparison to the other storms which are swirling around this region. It's rather like a kind of like a whirlpool, if you may.
Is it filled with black monoliths?
I say that's a movie in the making.
Yeah, that'll be the next movie.
So
yeah, we can just go through these sequences. It's just beautiful from north to south.
So, just in case you missed it, here's this beautiful movie made from images.
And that was from perijove 16.
Yeah. That also just came out. So Jupiter just keeps getting more and more beautiful every time you look at it. Well, every time Juno looks at it, and then sends its views back to us.